Welcome to Driving School WA channel. My name is Steve, and if you're first time here, please consider subscribing. Can this situation and should this situation be an instant fail? Give us your thoughts. Should this be a fail? And can this be fail? Okay, so this is a situation at Cannington Licensing Centre. So as you exit the car park at Cannington Licensing Centre, coming down on William Street, the red car was a candidate going for the driving test. Now, the assessor hit the brakes as the driver committed to turning. Now, the question was, there was a green truck that was clearly turning and was no a threat to the vehicle that was turning. Now, the traffic that was in the right lane was coming pretty fast, and the vision of the driver in the red car, the candidate, was obstructed. So he could not have judged if the vehicles that are currently in the right lane were crossing over as soon as they pass the truck, which is very common. We see it every single day. So particularly when the heavy vehicle turns and there's a left lane empty, or maybe if this car, the black car, intends to turn right, then it's very likely that the traffic from the right lane will switch lanes to the left. Also, this curb here, as most of us know who have been to Cannington Licensing Centre, many times, hasn't been rounded off properly, okay? So there's some sort of drain, and it's almost a 90-degree angle, and a lot of times people overshoot to the right lane in order to line up back to the left. Okay, so that was a bit of an issue. So the assessor braked and instantly discontinued the driving assessment. We can't blame the assessor for discontinuing the driving assessment there because it was a risk turning, and we always advise people, if it's tight, just wait for a better opportunity. So this should be a fail. This should be definitely an instant fail. So it just wasn't safe to proceed. And even though assessor was blamed, we really couldn't fault the assessor because the implications would have been, much greater if he hadn't braked. Now, the question is, did the traffic from the right-hand lane change over to the left? No, not at that particular instance, but they could have. There were more than, a few cars, and they were coming down at least 60, possibly even 70 kilometers an hour. If you weigh the difference between the 0 and 70, it's a great amount of difference in speed. So really, the learner the candidate should not have committed to turning unless they could see the clear vision, what's happening behind the truck and the right lane. But in any case, if there's any doubt, we ask all of our clients to wait for a better opportunity. So please, if you feel it's a bit tight to make a turn, wait for a better opportunity. So unfortunately, this can be fail, and it should have been an instant fail as it was. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.